Hello coder, welcome to my clean code course, where you will learn how to write efficient and maintainable code. Have you ever looked at someone else's code and wondered how they managed to create such a mess? Code that is difficult to read and understand can lead to confusion, delays, and errors. That's where clean code comes in. In this course, you will learn how to write code that is easy to read, understand, and maintain. I have been coding for more than 12 years. Throughout this course, I will share technique and best practices for creating clean code that is easy to modify and extend. You will also learn how to refactor existing code to make it more organized and easier to understand. The course will cover topics such as naming convention, code formatting, code modularization, dry method, Dr. K method, code smell, best practices to write comment. Finally, I will show some code refactor on my real project. By end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of how to write clean, efficient, consistent, maintainable, reusable code that will make you a better developer. My name is Abdus Sattar Bhuiyan and I am the founder of Amar Instructor. I am super excited to share my insight on clean code and the hacks I have developed over the decade. So let's get started.